Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a high quality video on CapCut PC using graphs. So I'm just going to copy and paste this, and on the second video I am going to go to adjustments, go to curves, and I'm just going to do the same thing for all of it. Do that and do this, like, so put the left dot to the very top of the graphs and put this right dot at the very bottom, and you're just going to do it for all of the colors like so. Once you're done, you're just going to select the effects here, and you're going to add blur on top of your videos like so. And then you're going to select everything. You're going to right click, create compound clip, go to video, go to blend mode, and select color burn, and you're just going to adjust that. It's going to look weird, it's fine. Go to media, go to library, and add in a white stock video on top of that. If it's not long enough, create compound clip. Oh, sorry, I meant freeze frame it, which is right here. Delete that and adjust it till the end of the video. Go to blend mode and select overlay and adjust the opacity. Now it still looks kind of weird, so go back to color burn and just adjust it to the video. If it's not adjusting, just select linear burn instead. As you can see, adjusted a whole lot better than the other one. You can also add in like a black overlay for like the shadows here. Just select blend mode overlay, go to mask and select the horizontal. Do this halfway and feather it out basically. Go to basic and adjust the opacity a little bit more. It's just for the shadows, it's nothing super fancy. And then you're just going to go to the main video. I'm just going to create a compound clip on this so it's easier to edit. Go to adjustments, and then here you can adjust the brightness and the contrast of the video, as well as the highlights and the shadows. And also you're just going to put up sharpen like by a lot. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!